there's which never smile, and yet by all it is confessed that Marian's free from guile. To hear her speak there's music, it's to see her dance at eve. So light she moves, you'd think you saw some fairy triple green. She sings her artless notes in sweet melody, the echo that from rock to rock repeats the shepherd.